I like videos, I like YouTube, I make videos, and I like B-roll. B-roll challenge accepted.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to fulfill the B-roll challenge by Peter McKinnon. Peter McKinnon uploaded the B-roll challenge video in May where he challenges his viewers to shoot B-roll sequences of their own. I know I'm a little late, I'm shooting my video in August, but better late than never. For this challenge, I'm going to use my Nikon D5300 with 18-55mm kit lens, and I'm shooting at Maharashtra Nature Park. I have come here many times before, so I'm familiar with this place. Check previous nature park vlogs here, and I'm going to shoot at 50 fps as opposed to the 25 fps which I always shoot at. So let the games begin. So let us take a stroll at the nature park and let the PM B-roll challenge begin. Now let me take some wide shots. The entrance has some nice leading lines which I can use, and there are potted plants all over the place, and flowers. There are so many flowers all around, and the ground gives me some nice textures. This flower looks so pretty. I'm going to spin all around it. Bright yellow and orange colors. The entrance looks cool with this nice cloudy background and this nice green garden. There's a beautiful pond over here and leading lines. There are so many leading lines here. There are flowers all around and you can see the sun between the branches. It looks so cute. So I'm gonna shoot these flowers. This tree looks cool in a high angle with the sun between its leaves. And this place is great for some macro subjects also. Okay, so here are all my wide shots. Now I'm going to take another walk and shoot all the close-ups. To bind the clips, I have filmed these in-betweens too.
Panning sideways, up and down, and going crazy all over the place.
And this is what my final B-roll looks like. So guys, the B-roll challenge is complete. I don't know how I did. Let me know down below how good or bad I was. Thank you Peter McKinnon for the lovely videos that you make for us. They're always the best and I have learned so much from you. And if you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions or feedback for me. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching guys. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye.
Get started.